And I'm Dr. Harmanth Rao. I'm a doctor by profession, and we about 5 to 6 members we live in this house. Moved recently, about 3 months back. Actually, one of my friend he saw in the internet and he told me. Then I studied in internet and I called to the concerned office here in Banjara Hills. I went to Banjara Hills office, saw the office, and then I went to one of the customer in near Shamshabad airport. When they are installing, I saw that. That's how I came to know. Actually, when I purchased the villa, there was no provision for the overhead room and then the pit in the ground floor. It's useful. Lift is useful for older people, especially. Definitely for when you are having old people in the house. When somebody is old, wants to go upstairs, we need a lift. The aesthetic part of the lift looks very aesthetic and very beautiful, especially to have a panoramic view of glass view, and then it is very sleek and it occupies very less space. Everything is good.